Today we're diving into a full-body wake-up routine designed to eliminate morning pain, increase your flexibility, and flood your body with energy. No equipment needed, no gym required. Just you, your mat, and 10 minutes. Stay until the end, because I'll share the one stretch that physical therapists say is the most important for preventing back pain. Let's get started. Before we begin, remember, morning stretches aren't about pushing yourself to the limit. Your body has been in rest mode for 6 to 8 hours. These movements are designed to gently wake up your muscles, lubricate your joints, and activate your nervous system. Let's start from the top and work our way down through every major muscle group. Neck rolls. Start by sitting or standing tall. Slowly drop your right ear toward your right shoulder. Hold for 5 seconds. Roll your head forward, chin to chest, and then over to the left shoulder. Complete 3 slow circles in each direction. This releases tension from sleeping in awkward positions and counteracts the forward head posture from our phones and computers. You should feel a gentle pull, never pain. If you hear cracking, that's just gas bubbles releasing from the joints, totally normal. Shoulder shrugs and rolls. Lift both shoulders up toward your ears, hold for 3 seconds, then release them down with a sigh. Repeat 5 times. Now roll your shoulders backward in large circles, 5 times. Then forward 5 times. This activates the trapezius muscles and improves circulation to your upper back. If you carry stress in your shoulders, you'll feel immediate relief here. Seated spinal twist. Sit cross-legged or in a chair. Place your right hand on your left knee and your left hand behind you. Gently twist to the left, looking over your left shoulder. Hold for 20 seconds, breathing deeply. Switch sides. This stretch wrings out your spine like a towel, improving mobility and stimulating digestion. Many people feel their back pop here. That's your facet joints releasing. Cat-cow stretch. Come to all fours, hands under shoulders, knees under hips. Inhale, drop your belly, lift your chest and tailbone. This is cow pose. Exhale, round your spine, tuck your tailbone, drop your head. This is cat pose. Flow between these two positions for 8 to 10 repetitions. This mobilizes every segment of your spine and is one of the best stretches for lower back pain. Child's pose. From all fours, sit your hips back toward your heels, extend your arms forward, and rest your forehead on the mat. Hold for 30 seconds, breathing deeply into your back body. This decompresses the spine, stretches the lats, and activates the parasympathetic nervous system, your body's natural relaxation response. Kneeling hip flexor stretch. Come into a lunge position. Right foot forward, left knee on the ground. Shift your weight forward until you feel a stretch in the front of your left hip. Hold for 30 seconds, then switch sides. This is crucial. Your hip flexors tighten while you sleep and from sitting all day. Tight hip flexors pull on your lower back, causing pain. This stretch is preventative medicine. Stretch 7. Hamstring stretch, 5:30, 6:15. Stretch number 7, standing forward fold. Stand with feet hip-width apart. Hinge at your hips and fold forward, letting your upper body hang. Bend your knees slightly. We're stretching, not straining. Hold for 30 seconds. You can gently sway side to side. Tight hamstrings are one of the leading causes of lower back pain. This stretch improves flexibility and reduces strain on your lumbar spine. Standing quad stretch. Stand on your left leg. Use a wall for balance if needed. Bend your right knee and grab your right ankle, pulling it toward your glute. Hold for 25 seconds per leg. This balances out the hip flexor work and prevents knee pain by maintaining flexibility in the front of your thighs. Figure 4 piriformis stretch. Lie on your back. Cross your right ankle over your left thigh, just above the knee, making a figure 4 shape. Thread your hands behind your left thigh and pull it toward your chest. Hold for 30 seconds per side. This targets the piriformis muscle deep in your hip, a common culprit for sciatic nerve pain. You'll feel this stretch deep in your glute. The morning reach. Lie flat on your back. Extend your arms overhead and point your toes, making your body as long as possible. Stretch like you're being pulled from both ends. Hold for 10 seconds, then release. Repeat 3 times. Finally, hug your knees into your chest and rock gently, side to side for 20 seconds. This full-body extension activates every muscle group and signals to your nervous system that it's time to start the day. And there you have it, 10 minutes to a pain-free, energized morning. Here's the bonus tip I promised. The single most important stretch for preventing back pain is the hip flexor stretch. Studies show that tight hip flexors are present in over 75% of people with chronic lower back issues. Make that stretch non-negotiable every single morning. Here's your challenge. Do this routine for 7 days straight and notice the difference. Your body will thank you. Less pain, more energy, better posture, all in just 10 minutes. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe to FlexFlow Wellness for more evidence-based movement routines. Drop a comment below telling me which stretch felt the best for your body. Tomorrow's video. We're covering 5 desk stretches you can do in your office. You won't want to miss it. Remember, movement is medicine. Take care of your body. It's the only place you have to live. See you tomorrow and keep flowing.